Check last 5 calls on Geo number in 1 minute. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about that how to find or check last 5 calls on your Geo number. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this. Let's learn how you can check it out. First of all, like, share, subscribe. Let's begin the video. First of all, what we have to do, we have to download the myjio app and install it, and after that we have to enter the mobile number and OTP. We have to log it in into our myjio app. After that, just click on myjio app, and you will see on myjio apps option called mobile. Click on that mobile option, and after that you will see options below there, that 3 lines. Click on that, and after that go to the my uses. When you go to the my uses, it will show you the internet uses, and above there you will be find a option for calls. This one is call one. Click on that call, and you will see all the last calls that you made over there. So that's the way you can easily know that whom you called or whom anyone called. Last 5 calls done on your Geo number. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day. Bye bye for now.